Hello everyone, this is part 2 of Build a Video Chat application with Twilio, Rails and JavaScript tutorial. I hope you watched part 1 of this tutorial. If not, then please go and watch part 1. In this tutorial, we are going to build audio, mute unmute, video on off and screen share features. Let's see how it will look like. Open the project dashboard in two different tabs and open the show page of the same room in both the tabs and wait until it's loaded. Now your UI will look like this. Here you have all the controls. For audio, mute, unmute. For video on off. Here you can share your screen like Google Chat and Zoom. When you end the call, it will redirect you to the dashboard.